Like this?
Yeah.
What?
Hi guys.
It give me some houses. Everyone give me some house.
Oh, everyone? Everyone did? So how many houses you have in the forest? You got 4 houses?
And
That's a
I
lot.
have a lot of friends.
You have a lot of friends?
They're tiny.
They're tiny friends? What? How tiny they are? How tiny? Like this?
And they're my baby.
Oh, and they're your babies
And I
too?
have red baby.
You have red babies? What?
What, you have a blue baby?
A blue babies? You?
And I build a house.
You
with-
build a house?
It's
Like-
golden house.
It's a golden house? Wow!
Have to be careful.
Oh, you gotta be careful going in because it's all gold?
No,
Oh,
it's 2 golds
2 golds. Okay.
and 2 glasses.
And 2 glasses.
I have 3 glasses.
Oh, you gotta bring those. So you're not gonna be thirsty, right?
I have 5 water.
You have 5 water. I only have 1. Can you give me some water?
Here you go.
Mmm.
And it's at my house. I cannot get it.
Oh, okay. When we come back, you're gonna grab some water.
I got one.
You got one on? Thank you.
I got 5.
Now you got 5. Oh, did you give one to Ati?
And I love to bring this like this.
Okay, do you love swimming?
Oh no.
No?
I like to swim.
Oh, but you like to swim?
I like to splash everyone.
You love to splash everyone? Did you splash Ati, Tito Ga, Tito Patrick, and Tito Sam? Did you splash Riri and Mommy?
No.
How about Uncle D? Did you splash Uncle D? Did you splash Uncle D
Because you
too?
do this.
What?
Splash.
How do you splash? How do you splash? Wow! And then you're gonna make a big splash.
Then it looks like rain.
It looks like rain. That's a good splash.
Oh, watch.
Hold on tight, say hold on tight.
And I live in a huge bed.
Ito, wala akong makita.
Picture kita dito.
Ay! Meron mo. Ano, no? Dito, Pat. Yeah. Psst. Busy-busy yan. Uy, sino ka-text mo dyan? Alam mo, nagla-live stream lang. Killy guns. Ayan, lagi ka na sa frame ha.
Ngayon wala akong makeup ngayon.
So, tara, tara. Tayo doon. Punta ka dito.
Restaurant nila yan.
Okay lang yun.
Okay.
Okay, let's go, Sky.
Dito tayo, ikot.
Skyler!
Oh no! Nag-dive.
Maalis lang siya kapag sinabi mo aalis tayo.
Mas malaki pa sa daddy.
Paano makita?
Itong malit na baby.
There's much upstairs. Wala lang.
Close na.
Pero ano, instead na
Kasi tinutusok pa niya. Ang kuko niya.
Huwag mo tusukin, be.
Stop flipping over. What happened? Grabe naman. Mga ng mata?
Oh.
Talaga ng kasi?
Nakikita ka na.
Strike. Strike.
Ding, higa mo.
Chungit eh. Chungit eh. Ano ko? Dito kasi yun natin. Sige lang. Dito.
Wala, aura lang.
Wala lang para sa video natin.
Ay, video to, hindi to picture. Buwang kayo. Hello. Cassie. Picture daw, picture mo. Cassie. 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Pero video pala. Video pala. Ha?
Si Papa sila yan.
Ate.
Lagi pa nila kanya ni Papa.
Hello, Sky. Sky, what are you doing?
Shake.
This guy. Si kasi lagi daw may naririnig. Ano yung ano yung lagi?
Kami dyan. Hello! Ako nga pa lang kayong Mrs. Universe 2025.
Ito may sasabihin. May comment tayo. Ano kasi yung lagi mo naririnig?
I'm done hiding. Like I'm born again. We're going up.
Paborito ng bayan. Yun yata yung ano ngayon eh. Pambansang ano. Pambansang song. Sample. Come on. Kanta, sample. Come on. Oh, nag-racing na tuloy yung dalawa. Oh, you know. Turbo.
Ano yun? Flockering?
What?
Flockering?
Flockering, what's that mean?
Tapos sa field.
Oh.
Tapos gagawin.
Dire-diretso. Uy.
Okay, go race with Tito Mo. You and Tito Mo. Twins. On your mga...
Go! Kulit. Uy! Dire-diretso.
Okay, Tito Mo. Another round.
Ayan nga eh.
Bawal dyan.
Kasi... Uy, na-detect yung ano mo. Uy. Oh, man.